In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use Zapier with Squarespace to automate your website workflows on desktop. We'll set up a no-code automation, or Zap, that connects Squarespace to other apps, so routine tasks happen automatically. This is great for saving time, staying organized, and reducing manual data entry. Start by opening a desktop browser, going to zapier.com, and logging in to your Zapier account. Once you're in, click Create and choose Zap. A Zap has two parts: a trigger that starts the automation and an action that runs afterward. You can give your Zap a clear, descriptive name at the top to keep things organized as your library grows. In the Trigger app search bar, type and select Squarespace. Next, choose the trigger event that matches your workflow. Pick New Form Submission if you want to capture inquiries from your site's forms, New Order if you run a store and want to react to purchases, or New Appointment if you're using scheduling. Click Continue. Click Sign into Squarespace, follow the prompts to authorize Zapier, and confirm access. If you manage multiple sites, make sure to select the correct one for this Zap so the right data flows in. With your account linked, click Test Trigger to pull in sample data from Squarespace. This sample is a snapshot that helps you see available fields and makes it easier to set up the next step. Now click Add Action. Choose the app you want to connect, like Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, or a CRM. Then pick the specific action event, such as creating a new row in a spreadsheet, sending an email, posting a message, or creating a contact. Click Continue and connect your account for that app, approving any permissions so Zapier can complete the action for you. You'll now map the Squarespace fields to the action fields. Mapping tells Zapier exactly which pieces of information should go where. For example, map a form's name and email to the corresponding columns in a sheet, or to the recipient and subject fields in an email template. Pay attention to any required fields and choose the values that make the most sense for your workflow. Clear mapping is what makes your automation accurate and reliable. Click Test. Step to run a sample through the entire automation. Check your destination app to confirm the data arrived as expected. If everything looks good, click Publish to turn the Zap on. From this point forward, Zapier will monitor your Squarespace trigger and run the action automatically. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.